Hey friends, welcome back. If your Brookstone heated blanket suddenly stopped working, don't panic most of the time. The issue is minor and can be fixed with a simple reset. Common signs include a blinking controller light, the blanket refusing to turn on, or problems that appear after washing. Since the controller manages heat and safety functions, resetting it often restores normal operation. Start by unplugging the heated blanket from the wall outlet and, if possible, disconnecting the controller from the blanket itself. This completely cuts power and clears temporary faults. Leave everything disconnected for about 5 to 10 minutes so any leftover electrical charge can fully drain. After waiting, reconnect the controller firmly to the blanket, making sure the connection feels secure. Then plug the blanket directly into a wall outlet and test it. If the blanket still doesn't work, check the outlet using another device to confirm it's supplying power. Inspect the cord and controller carefully for fraying, cuts, or burn marks, as damaged wiring is a serious safety risk. Some Brookstone models include a built-in reset function on the controller, so checking the user manual can help. If the blanket keeps failing or needs frequent resets, it's safest to stop using it and consider replacement. Heated blankets are designed with safety in mind, and ignoring electrical faults can be dangerous.